go. Alright, today we're going to do our second strength test video. Not that anybody would ever actually do this, but to demonstrate how strong the material is on this unit. Today we've got a hockey puck. We're going to turn and just fire this at it as hard as I possibly can. We have a scheduled demonstration coming up with the Manchester Monarchs where we're going to shoot a promo video where we actually lay the tub in front of the net as a goalie, and we're going to shoot slap shots at it and see how durable the material is in that situation. But for now, here in the office, hockey puck and tub. Mild scuff, and that's about it. Wipe that off with a paper towel. As you can see, right back to normal, no marks at all. It's pretty difficult to damage this stuff. We have a couple more strength tests planned. We're going to throw a couple of soap bottles and heavy moisturizer products with hard plastic tops at it to show that that won't damage it. And we're also going to take a shower head and just completely bash it to bits, showing that that also doesn't leave any damages. We appreciate you guys subscribing, following our videos. If you could hit the thumbs up button, that definitely helps us out. And if you know anybody that needs to have their tub recast, send them to our website, which is refinishbathsolutions.com. We're happy to answer any questions if you want to comment below. Aside from that, have a great day, guys.